If you have a pot lid at home, get it right now, since we will use it to quickly clean your sofa, using only a pot lid and a kitchen cloth. If your sofa is very dirty and you don't know what to do to clean it, don't worry, since with this, you will do it quickly, easily, effortlessly, and with cheap ingredients that you surely already at home. So stay with me until the end, and I will show you the most effective method to clean your sofa. To begin with, we will need a medium-sized bowl. Then we will add 400 milliliters of water. Then we add 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Vinegar is acclaimed for being a wonderful natural cleaner, which eliminates bacteria and dirt. And all this without affecting health and a fraction of the cost of brand products. Next, we will add 3 tablespoons of detergent. This will help us soften the fabrics of the fabric so that the mixture can enter easily. And we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda. This ingredient is famous for its ability to remove bad smell, remove the mold and sweat present in fabrics, and in turn it is excellent for whitening and removing spots. Next, we are going to mix very well. And before I forget, let me know below from which city or country you see us, so that I can send a special greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Matthias Gonzalez from Denmark. Thank you for enjoying each advice. If you apply this advice at home, I can assure you that the sofa will be like new and you will take long to clean it. I am already here on my sofa to give you the demonstration of this advice. First, we will take a clean cloth and we will moisten it in the mixture that we have just prepared. Squeeze to remove excess water from the cloth. At this point, we are going to stretch the fabric on the sofa as I show you. Then we put the lid on the fabric. If you like, you can make a small knot on the handle, although this step is optional. Then you will only rub it all over the dirty area of your sofa. And while rubbing, pay attention as you will be surprised. As you pass the cloth, you will notice how the dirt will stick to the cloth and it will be Look very well how the entire area of the cloth where we clean is marked with the lid. At this point, the sofa is already soaked with the mixture and we only have to dry it. You can take another cloth or use the one you already have. Now we do the same process with the lid and the dry cloth. We are going to rub well until we remove the excess mixture. When you finish, you will notice that the sofa will be shiny and scented. If you got here, leave me the phrase "lid for my sofa," so I will know that you watched the video until the end.